Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Again, there's a link down in the description below where you can find it on Amazon. Looks like today we're doing number 148. We start with this middle box. Looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. Got the 3 here. So 2, 9. 2, 9, and that means our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 7 here, so 9, 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. Got the 4 here. So 5, 9, the 9 here, so 4, 5, and 4, 5. That means that our 9 has to be up here. For this row then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got the 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. Got the 9 here, so 2, 3, and 9 here, so 2, 3. That means our 9 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got the 4 here and the 8 here, so 2, and that 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box then, we're missing 1, 2, 3. We've got a 3 and a 1 here. So this is our 2. That makes this our 3 and our 1. And that 2 makes this our 9, 2. And that 3 makes this our 2. For this column then, looks like we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box then, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 8. No help here, 4, 5, 8. But then we've got the 5 and 8 here. So that means this is our 4. That makes this our 8 and our 5. For this row then, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 5 and 4. For this row now, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 6. In this box, we're missing a 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here. So 5, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing a 6 and a 9. We've got a 6 there, so 9, 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 there. So 5, 1. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9. There's an 8 here. So 9, 8. For this column then, looks like we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 3, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 there. So 4 and 2. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.